The GT was first released as a member of the company's Greater Than line. This black chrome variant adheres to a color scheme designed for stealth. Matching laces and midsoles complete the jet black design of the engineered mesh upper. The lateral swoosh is the most notable feature. It has a subtle chrome finish that adds a flashy touch without overpowering the design. The eyestay and midfoot overlay have extra iridescent detailing, which subtly deepens the monochromatic appearance. Specifically made for guards and quick forwards, the GT, in order to respond quickly on the court, keeps using the Air Zoom Strobel and Nike React cushioning. In addition to the aggressive outsole traction pattern that guarantees multidirectional control, a TPU midfoot plate offers stability and support. In the autumn of 2025, pairs of the Nike G.T cut black chrome are anticipated to go on sale on Nike.com and at a few Nike basketball stores. SRP is $180.